Greetings, fellow travelers of the cosmos. Welcome to a journey that will take us beyond the ordinary and into the extraordinary. Today we venture into the fascinating realm of quantum computing. This is not just any ordinary topic, it's a field that promises to revolutionize the way we think about and use technology. Buckle up, because things are about to get seriously weird and seriously awesome. Quantum computing is like stepping into a science fiction movie, but it's very real and happening right now. Imagine a computer so powerful, it makes our current machines look like pocket calculators. These quantum computers have the potential to solve problems in seconds that would take traditional computers millions of years. That's the promise of quantum computing, a mind-bending field that harnesses the strangeness of the quantum world to solve problems that are impossible for even the most advanced supercomputers. It's like having a superpower in the world of technology. But what exactly is quantum computing? How does it work? And why is it so different from the computers we use today? Let's dive in and explore this fascinating frontier of science and technology. Together, we'll uncover the mysteries of quantum bits, entanglement, and superposition. Get ready to expand your mind and see the world in a whole new way. To understand quantum computing, we need to start with the building blocks of information bits. These bits are the fundamental units of data in classical computing, representing a binary state of either 0 or 1. They're the simplest form of data, and everything we do on a computer, from writing a document to playing a video game, is ultimately broken down into these binary bits. In the digital world, a bit is like a light switch, either on or off. When the switch is on, it represents a 1, and when it's off, it represents a 0. This simple on-off mechanism is the foundation of all classical computing. Quantum computers, however, use qubits. Unlike classical bits, qubits can exist in multiple states at once thanks to the principles of quantum mechanics. This allows quantum computers to process a vast amount of information simultaneously, making them incredibly powerful for certain types of calculations. Think of a qubit as a magic coin. It can be heads, tails, or, wait for it, both at the same time. This is because of a quantum property called superposition, which allows qubits to be in a combination of states until they are measured. This mind-boggling concept is called superposition. It means that a qubit can perform many calculations at once, vastly increasing the computational power of quantum computers compared to classical ones. Now, imagine two of these magic coins, linked in a way that, even if they're miles apart, flipping one instantly flips the other. This phenomenon is known as quantum entanglement. When qubits become entangled, the state of one qubit is directly related to the state of another, no matter the distance between them. That's entanglement, another bizarre quantum phenomenon that quantum computers exploit. Entanglement allows quantum computers to solve complex problems more efficiently than classical computers, opening up new possibilities in fields like cryptography, material science, and artificial intelligence. Superposition and entanglement are the dynamic duo of the quantum world. Superposition allows qubits to explore many possibilities simultaneously, like a superpowered parallel processor, while entanglement enables them to communicate instantly regardless of distance. These superpowers give quantum computers the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, finance, and materials science. Imagine designing life-saving drugs, creating unbreakable encryption, or developing revolutionary new materials, all thanks to the power of quantum computation. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's take a look at the challenges that lie ahead. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, facing significant technical hurdles. These hurdles are not just minor obstacles. They are monumental challenges that require innovative solutions and groundbreaking research. Building and controlling these delicate quantum systems is like trying to build a house of cards in a hurricane. The slightest disturbance can cause the entire system to collapse, making stability a key focus for researchers. It's incredibly challenging, but the potential rewards are enormous. Imagine computers that can solve complex problems in seconds. Problems that would take today's supercomputers thousands of years to crack. Despite the challenges, the future of quantum computing is bright. Researchers are making strides every day, inching closer to a world where quantum computers are a reality. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the quantum realm, we can expect to see breakthroughs that will reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. These advancements could revolutionize fields like medicine, cryptography, and artificial intelligence, so keep your eyes on the quantum horizon, my friends. The journey ahead is filled with unknowns, but also with incredible opportunities. The future is full of wonder, and it's going to be a wild ride. From the classroom to the lab, the adventure of discovery is just beginning, and we are all part of this exciting journey.